Manpower without unity is not strength. Unless it is harmonized and united, it becomes a spiritual power. Quoted by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Greetings, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Naveen Vijay Kumar, Treasurer, SMC, respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. It is immense pleasure to welcome you all to the virtual National Unity Day. Today, 31st of October is celebrated as National Unity Day in India. It is done as so to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Every year, this year is celebrated as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Today, we are all gathered here to celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, India at 75. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So hence, we shall start today's day with the prayer song.
तेरी आराधना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं, बाबा क्षमा कर जीवन दे, दया की आराधना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं। तू ही महान सशक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत, तू ही महान सशक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत। हृदय गीता चेरे जंगा, हृदय गीता चेरे जंगा, तेरी आराधना है मनोगी, जीवन से तू मेरी महिमा पाए, हृदय से प्रार्थना करूं, बाबा क्षमा कर जीवन दे, दया की याचना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं। धरती के हर एक कण कण में छाया है तेरी महिमा का राज, धरती के हर एक कण कण में छाया है तेरी महिमा का राज। पंछी भी गाते हैं तेरी प्रशंसा, पंछी भी गाते हैं तेरी प्रशंसा, हर पल सुनाते हैं आनंद तारा, मेरी भी भक्ति को तुझको अर्पण, यही प्रार्थना करूं, बाबा क्षमा कर जीवन दे, दया की याचना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं।
It was indeed a very beautiful rendition of the prayer song. We shall now have the welcome speech given by Pooja Suresh.
Respected Principal, Vice Principal, SMC members, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. In 2014, the Government of India introduced the Rashtriya Ekta Divas or the National Unity Day with an aim to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. He is always remembered for his extraordinary works for the country, and no doubt he worked hard in keeping India united. On this auspicious day of Rashtriya Ekta Divas, I feel extremely proud on having such an opportunity to give a welcome speech on behalf of my school. I heartily welcome our beloved Principal, Vice Principal, SMC members, teachers, parents and students for the National Unity Day programs. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja, for your words of welcome. I now kindly invite our respected principal, Mr. Suresh V.S., for his introductory speech.
Work is undoubtedly worship, but love for his life. Anyone who takes life too seriously must prepare himself for a miserable existence. Anyone who greets joys and sorrows with equal facility can really get the best of life. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Dear all, very good morning. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Naveen Vijay Kumar, Treasurer of School Management Committee, Honorable Chairman of Board of Directors and other distinguished members of Board of Directors, respected Education Advisor, Mr. M.P. Vinoba, dear Principals of other Indian schools, Head of Academics, Dr. Alexi Joseph, Vice Principal, Mr. Sanya Matthew, dear teachers, loving students, and ever-supporting parents and well-wishers. Today, we are here to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Government of India decided to celebrate his birthday as National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014 as an honor to this great son of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the great Indian statesman, popularly known as the Iron Man of India. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 1950 and have a significant role to make the nation as a single entity as it is today by merging the different princely states. My dear students, it's a proud moment for all of us that Indian Schoolibri celebrates his birth anniversary with various programs performed by the students, especially on this special occasion when the country celebrates Azad Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Let me take this opportunity to welcome our Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Naveen Vijay Kumar, Honorable Treasurer of School Management Committee, to this auspicious ceremony. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting the invitation and making your presence here to give your message to the student community. I would like to extend warm welcome to all the dignitaries who are present here into this function. Let me congratulate all the participants of this event for their great effort to make this day a memorable one. Our heartfelt thanks to Dr. Alexi Joseph, Head of Academics and Assistant Education Advisor, Board of Directors, for all the support and inspiration extended for organizing this event. Special word of thanks to Mr. Unnikrishnan, Activity Coordinator.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring us with your words today. The efforts and guidelines made by the honorable members of the School Management Committee is praiseworthy. Today, we have Mr. Naveen Vijay Kumar, Treasurer, Indian School Management Committee, with us today. Sir, I'm immensely pleasure to welcome you to give your speech.
A very good morning to you all. As we are celebrating 146th birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I would like to share a few words about the great leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a key role in India's freedom movement, and he was also the founding father of Republic of India. For his commitment towards national integration, Sardar Patel, whose real name was Vallabhbhai Jawaharbhai Patel, earned the title the Iron Man of India. A lawyer by profession, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel grew up to become the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. In the year 2014, Indian government declared his birthday October 31st as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day. He once addressed to the young generation of India, saying that idleness is the greatest enemy of man. He emphasized the importance of building up a strong character by the youth to lead a nation towards greatness. Through meticulous planning, negotiations, counseling, and tactful handling, he brought together all the princely states is one of the greatest accomplishments in the modern history. His love for motherland, leadership qualities, simplicity, honesty, integrity, down-to-earth nature, pragmatic approach in resolving complex problems, earthly wisdom, discipline, and organizing skills will always remain an inspiration for every Indian. He always wanted to remove distinctions of rich and poor, caste and creed, high and low from our country. Thus, he worked really hard for it. I urge the student community and the younger generations to revisit his legacy and remember his unparalleled contribution towards building a modern India. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. The insightful words have given us a spirit of patriotism. We shall now render ourselves to listen to the patriotic songs sung by our school choir. patriotic song, we shall now have a couple of messages from our young minds. Firstly, I would like to invite Gurunath to give his speech.
Hello everybody, I am Gurunath Hari from class 6B. Today I am going to talk about Sri Vallabhai Patel, who is popularly known as Sardar Vallabhai Patel. The birthday of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhai Patel, one of the founding leaders of Republic of India, is celebrated as the Rashtriya Ekta Divas or the National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhai was born on 31st of October 1875. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united independent nation. During his term as Home Minister of India, he is credited for the integration of 562 independent princely states into India from 1947 to 1949 by the Independence Act. He was also instrumental in the creation of the All India Services, which he described as the country's steel frame. Thus, he is regarded as the father of modern All India Services. He worked extensively against untouchability and caste discrimination, alcoholism, as well as for the empowerment of women. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was dedicated to him on the 31st of October 2018 for his leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guiding India into integration into a united independent nation. I conclude my words with the quote of Sri Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Take to the path of dharma, the path of truth and justice. Don't misuse your valor. Remain united. March forward in all humility, but fully awake to the situation you face, demanding your rights and firmness. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Thank you, Gurunath. I now call upon Keshashi of KG2 to give her message.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on October 31st every year to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel. He was known as the Iron Man of India. He played a major role in integrating the princely states into India. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister of India. Let me conclude with his powerful quotation. Manpower without unity is not a strength. Take to the path of dharma, path of truth and justice. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Keshashi. That was indeed a very powerful message. I now call upon Afna Tazdeem of grade 7 to give her message.
Hi everyone, my name is Afna Tajuddin. Today I am here with a speech on Sardar Vallabhai Patel on the theme National Unity Day. National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on October 31st every year since 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of the man who played a crucial role in the unification of India, Sardar Vallabhai Patel, as part of India at 75th celebrations. He is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was a lifelong member of the Indian National Congress, who fought against the British Empire in India's freedom struggle. He was also the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. In the months preceding independence and following it, Patel worked tirelessly to bring 562 princely states into the fold of the Union of India. For his incredible efforts, the Government of India introduced the National Unity Day on 2014. On this day, in 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a 182-meter tall statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel called the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world, on the bank of Narmada River in the Kevadia colony facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam near the city of Vadodara. In a country as diverse as India, an event like National Unity Day holds special significance. National Unity Day is celebrated to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the father of unity. People celebrate National Unity Day by delivering speeches, spread knowledge, etc. Mahatma Gandhi gave Vallabhbhai Patel the title of Sardar. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Nadidat, India. He died on December 15, 1950. We learn from his life. Character is grave necessity for one to succeed. Sardar Patel's slogan: take the path of dharma, the path of truth and justice. Unity equals good guidance, proper growth and true development. Thank you.
Thank you, Afna, for the inspiring message. I now call upon Kiranmai of Class 10 to give her Hindi speech.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण और साथी छात्रों, आप सभी का इस कार्यक्रम में स्वागत है। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आज हम राष्ट्रीय एकता दिवस का कार्यक्रम मनाने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं। जब हम राष्ट्रीय एकता के विषय में सोचते हैं तो हमारे मन में कई ख्याल आते हैं, परंतु सबसे पहले दिमाग में आती है सम्राट अशोक और आचार्य चाणक्य द्वारा स्थापित भारत की अखंडता और एकता। भारत एक विशाल प्रदेश है और विभिन्न समुदाय, संस्कृतियों और जातियों के लोग यहाँ रहते हैं। सभी समुदाय के लोगों को एक साथ एकता रूपी धागे में बांधे रखना लगभग असंभव और नामुमकिन है। इन धार्मिक और सांस्कृतिक मतभेदों के कारण ही हमारा देश अंग्रेजों का गुलाम बना रहा था। अब जब हमारे बाहरी खतरे और आंतरिक असंतोषों से भारत स्वतंत्र है, इसकी अखंडता और समानता को संरक्षित रखना ही हमारा पहला और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी है। राष्ट्रीय एकता के विचार ने सामाजिक और धार्मिक मतभेदों को नष्ट करने का प्रयास किया है और उसमें सफल रहा है। इसलिए यदि हमारे देश के वासी एकता के साथ खड़े रहे तो कई सामाजिक मुद्दों को समाप्त किया जा सकता है। विभिन्न विश्वासों को मानने वाले और विभिन्न समुदाय के लोग जो दूसरे धर्म को अपने धर्म से नीचे मानते हैं, वह भी धीरे धीरे एकता के महत्व को महसूस करते हैं और देश के सम्मान के समर्थन में खड़े हैं। राष्ट्रीय एकता ने समानता के अदृश्य धागे के गठन की ओर अग्रसर किया है, जो इस देश के विभिन्न हिस्सों में सामंजस्य स्थापित करती है। यह निश्चित रूप से देश की उत्तीर्णता और उसकी ताकत को बढ़ावा देता है। स्वतंत्रता के संघर्ष के दौरान ही हमारे देश के नागरिक और लोग अन्यायपूर्ण विदेशी शासन से स्वतंत्र और मुक्त प्राप्त करने के लिए एक होकर लड़ रहे थे। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि हम भारतीय नागरिकों को राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के लिए एक होकर रहना पड़ेगा। राष्ट्रीय एकता पर इमैनुअल क्लेवर द्वारा कहा गया एक प्रसिद्ध वाक्य कुछ इस प्रकार है: विभाजन के अधिक एकता में शक्ति है। इसलिए हमें सभी सामाजिक, भाषाई और धार्मिक मतभेदों को दूर रखते हुए हमारे देश की उत्तीर्णता के लिए हमेशा के लिए एकजुट रहना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Kiranmai. Now to sum up all the messages given by our students, I would like to call upon Mr. Sunny Matthew Vice Principal of Indian School Library, to give us message.
Respected Principal, dear colleagues and loving children, pleasant morning to you all. Children, do you know the importance of today, 31st October? 31st October is observed as the National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. 31st October is the birth anniversary of our great leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is better known as the Iron Man of India. He played an instrumental role in the freedom movement of India. He was the architect of modern India. He was a great visionary, a nationalist and a statesman. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India. As the Home Minister, he had to face a lot of challenges. He persuaded almost every princely state to accede to Indian Union. His commitment to national integration in the newly independent country was total and uncompromising. He was responsible for the integration of 565 princely states. As a reward and recognition of his great contribution, late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru called him Sardar, the builder and consolidator of New India. Patel worked extensively against untouchability, caste discrimination, and for women emancipation and the unity of India. Patel was conscious of the fact that independent India needed a steel framework to run its civil, military and administrative bureaucracy. His faith in instrumental mechanisms like having an organized, command-based army and a systemized bureaucracy proved to be a blessing. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interest above everything else and shaped India's destiny with a single-minded devotion. Modern history is incomplete without Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. One nation, one culture, one people was the great dream of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That's why, to spread this message, the Statue of Unity was built. It was built in dedication to the Iron Man of India for his dedication and devotion. The Statue of Unity is a beautiful step towards preserving his legacy. It was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 by India's Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi as a mark of great tribute and honor. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's vision was to integrate the people within the country, irrespective of their caste, ethnicity, gender, or religion. The invaluable contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in building a modern and unified India needs to be remembered by every Indian as the country marches ahead as one of the largest economies in the world. His great vision, ideas and thoughts still live in the minds of every Indian. Let me conclude with the quote by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Your words have installed a fervor of patriotism in us. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate the nation's togetherness and unity and to see how Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a major role in our country's development. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. So hence, to conclude this show, I will call upon Pratana Madhu to give the vote of thanks.
Respected Principal, Vice Principal, SMC members, teachers and dear friends, good morning to all. On this auspicious day of Rashtriya Ekta Divas, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I feel extremely proud to have the opportunity to give a vote of thanks speech behalf of my school. I feel very proud to be born in India, and as a responsible citizen, as an Indian, it is our duty that we should celebrate such a glorious day. I want to thank all of you for being a part of Rashtriya Ekta Divas celebration for glorifying the day. I would like to thank our principal for such a beautiful event. Special thanks to the organizing team, students, volunteers, and this ceremony could not have been successful without them. I would like to thank all of you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
We have thus come to the end of the show. It was a pleasure having you all here. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.